Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Since 1951, Wen has equipped woodworkers with reliable tools at an affordable price. Now, with our 12-inch variable speed drill press, you'll get top-of-the-line drilling power without compromising performance or price. Adjust the variable speed to any rate between 530 and 3100 RPM to perfectly complement your workpiece. Watch as this Wen drill press glides through wood like a soldering iron through butter. That is beautiful. Remember when power tools were versatile enough for any project? This package includes an adjustable work table that not only bevels but also extends outwards, an onboard digital readout and lever for easy changes to RPM, and a combination work light and laser for maximum accuracy. Remember when tools were built for rugged performance? Attack wood, plastic, and metal with ease. Watch as we effortlessly drill into an inch of pure cast iron. The Wen 12-inch variable speed drill press. Remember when power tools were actually powerful?
In this training unit, we'll be taking a look at the PCM8SD sliding miter saw from Bosch. The PCM8SD stands out thanks to its combination of a compact design and low weight with high motor power. The slide function with precisely moving guide rails means that high cutting capacities of up to 70 mm in height and 305 mm in width can be achieved. The depth stop enables users to quickly switch from the sawing function to cutting grooves. When cutting grooves, the scale helps users to accurately adjust the depth of the groove in advance. The slide function can be locked so that the PCM8SD can be used as a miter saw. The electrical laser is convenient to move into position on both the right and left of the saw blade and ensures high accuracy when cutting. The lateral extensions can be attached if needed. They also serve as supports and are ideal for sawing long workpieces. The precise scales assist the user in accurately setting the angular degree and degree of inclination. Each scale display on the PCM8SD can be finely adjusted. Definable ratchet points simplify the process of setting the miter angle. The bevel angle can be set at up to 47 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. A stop assists in angling the tool, with stop points at 22.5 degrees, 33.9 degrees, and 45 degrees when angling to the left, and 0 degrees, and 45 degrees when angling to the right. The PCM8SD also comes with an adjustable stop for recurring cutting lengths. The roughened surfaces on the stops work together with a quick release clamp to hold the workpiece firmly in place. These have to be adjusted according to the bevel angle. Workpieces can be fixed in 3 different positions using the clamp. The stable feet provide a secure position for the saw during operation. The foot at the front can be adjusted according to the respective surface. The PCM8SD can also be attached to a vacuum cleaner. The 3-point dust duct improves dust removal. An additional carrying handle makes it easier to move the saw. And now, have fun with the PCM8SD sliding miter saw from Bosch.
Jessum's new clear-cut stock guides for a table saw increase the precision of your cuts and your safety as well. Our new stock guides include a T-track that mounts directly to your fence. The stock guides slide onto the T-track effortlessly, and they can be adjusted the full length of the track. To set up your stock guides, the first thing we're going to do is make sure they are clear of the blade. Once we're sure they won't interfere with the blade, they can be locked into position. Now we're going to set them to the thickness of the board. Just place the stock you're going to cut under your stock guide and lower the stock guide to the stock. By setting it up with the outer edge of the stock guide, this ensures that you get the proper tension on the roller. With the stock guide set, we're ready to adjust the fence and take our first cut. Because of the one-way bearings in each roller, your stock can be fed effortlessly through the stock guides. The urethane tires on each roller grip the surface of the wood. Because each wheel is angled at 5 degrees toward the fence, they effectively steer your stock into the fence. As you can see, the one-way bearings and the angle of the pivot arm give considerable resistance to kickback. When you don't want to use your stock guides, just position them out of the way behind the surface of your fence. Each stock guide is held to your work under spring pressure, so that it will always be in contact with your work. Here you can see the 5-degree angle of the roller pulling the stock into the fence. Even a single clear-cut stock guide pulls your stock into the fence and holds the wood in position even if you let go. Even with this much force on the board, it holds your stock tight to the fence. In our previous demonstrations, we were using a riving knife, but as you can see, the clear-cut stock guides work just as well with your guard in position. When I'm going to cut a large panel, I like to use a small block of wood, the same thickness of the panel, to set my clear-cut stock guides. You will notice, because of the holding force of your clear-cut stock guides, that you get a far better finish on your cuts, without those gouges or burn marks that are common when feeding large panels. Even the sound of your saw is more consistent when using clear-cut stock guides. Take your table saw to a whole new level of safety and precision with Jessum's new clear-cut stock guides for a table saw.